Welcome back to the lesson for writing technical emails. How are you guys? How are you all doing? I truly hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are safe. So let's go. What exactly are you going to learn today? You're going to learn how to write clear professional emails in IT contexts, 12 key vocabulary words with phonetics, some grammar, formal email structures, passive for professional distance, linking words for IT emails, and how to write a request, a status update, a follow-up, and a polite escalation email. And as always, you can find this worksheet and much more educational content in our Telegram channel and other social media. This instance, you can scan the QR code or you can type in this instance in the search bar and find it. And let's go to some core vocabulary as agreed or stated in a previous communication or document. As per our call this morning, I'm sending the updated timeline. In reference to, regarding, relating to, a previous message or topic. In reference to your email of 14th July, please find the request information below. Please find attached a phrase introducing an attached file. Please find attached the project chart for your review. Clarify, to make something clearer or easier to understand. Could you clarify the scope of the request before we proceed? Confirm, to state or verify that something is correct or agreed. Please confirm receipt of this email and whether Thursday's scan still work. Follow up, to send a message check in progress after a previous request. I'm following up on my email from last week regarding the contract status. Action required, a phrase signaling that the recipient needs to do something. Action required, please review and approve the attached document by Friday. Update, information about the current status of something. Could you send me a quick update on where the migration stands? Deadline, the date or time by which something must be completed. The deadline for client sign-off is August 1st. Please flag any risks before then. Flag, to draw attention to something that needs to be noticed or acted on. I want to flag a potential risk with the vendor timeline before the meeting. Loop in, to include someone in an email thread so they are aware. I've looped in the legal team. Please copy them all on the future correspondence. On all future correspondence, take offline to discuss something separately rather than in a meeting or on a thread. Let's take this offline. I'll send you a separate email with the details. A little pro tip, the most common IT email mistake is being too vague. Please let me know about the project tells the reader nothing. Instead, always include context, what you're referring to, the specific ask, what you need and by when, and your availability, when you can discuss. These three elements turn a weak email into a professional, actionable one. Some grammar, formal email structures, passive and linking words. So, I have a helper and for some reason he decided it's time to punch me. Wait, helper. Email opening phrases. I hope this email finds you well. Quite formal. I wanted to follow up on. Neutral. I'm writing in reference to. Formal. As per our conversation, your email of. Date. Referencing. Just a quick note to. Semi-formal. Passive for professional distance. The report has been attached for your review. For professional distance. The report has been attached for your review. The timeline has been updated following our call. Your feedback is required by end of week. The contract has been sent to the legal team for sign-off. Some linking words for IT emails. However, to introduce a complication or contrast. Furthermore, to add a supporting point. As a result, to show consequence. In addition, to add information. Please note that draws attention to something important. For your reference, provides context without requiring action. And email closing phrases. Please let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need further information. Kind regards, best regards, many thanks. 4 IT email types. Request, status update, follow-up, and escalation. Request, could you please? I would be grateful if. Action required, please. Please review and confirm by a certain date. Status update. I'm writing to update you on the status of. As of date, the project is on track or at risk. Please note that the next milestone is, I'll update you again by. I'm following up on my email from. I haven't yet received a response regarding. Could you please advise on? Any update would be much appreciated. I wanted to escalate an issue that requires your attention. The deadline is a certain date and consequence. I'd appreciate your input by a certain date. Let's read some modality email and analyze its subject. Action required, contract review by 20 July. Hi Taras, I'm writing in reference to the vendor contract we discussed in Monday's Steven meeting. Please find attached the latest version of our MSA, which has been updated by the legal team following your comments. Action required. Could you please review and confirm your approval by 20 July? The deadline is firm. As per our project timeline, we need sign-off before the end of the month in order to proceed with onboarding. Please note that 2 clauses have been flagged for your attention in the document. These are highlighted in yellow. Furthermore, I've looped in Irina from procurement as she will need to countersign. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to take this offline before the deadline. Kind regards, Olena. So, subject line. Action required. It signals urgency and type immediately. Opening in reference to, it's a context established in first sentence. Passive, has been updated, have been flagged, I have looped in. Specific ask, clear action, specific deadline, consequence. Linking words, furthermore, as per, in order to. Closing, offers to discuss, ends professionally. And let's watch out for some common mistakes. Please do the thing we talked about. Please review and approve the attached contract by 20 July. You always need to be specific, task and deadline. I'm sending you email because I need something. I'm writing in reference to the vendor contract discussed on Monday. State the context first. Attached is finding you, please. It's mixed up. Please find attached the updated timeline. I want to flag an issue. I wanted to flag a potential risk with the timeline. Wanted to sound more professional than just want to do something. Sorry for disturbing you. I appreciate your time on this. Avoid over-apologizing in professional emails. And a little quick check. Pause the video, take your time. I'm giving you 20 seconds to complete the task, but you can pause the video and take your time, okay? Well, let's discuss. So, you want to refer to a previous email in reference to your email. You want to attach a document. Please find attached the updated project plan for your review. You want to mention a deadline. Please note that the deadline for approval is 1st August. Oh, it's August 1st. You want to include someone new in the thread. I have looped in the legal team as they will need to review. You want to follow up on a request. I am following up on my email from last Thursday regarding the contract. Wonderful. A little speaking challenge for you. Could you create 1 email for each type? Request, status update, and follow-up. For each, it should be clear subject line, context, specific ask, professional close, and up to 100 words each. You can even tell them out loud, spell them out loud. Take your time to practice them out loud, to practice the rhythm and pronunciation, okay? And question for the comments. What is the most difficult type of email for you to write in English? Request, follow-up, status update, escalation. Could you share an example of sentence you're not sure about? And I will help you fix it. And when it comes to workbook, I'm not going to show you tasks in here, but you can find the workbook in the Telegram channel. Well, thank you so much for joining in this video, and I hope to see you next time in the next one. Stay safe. Bye-bye.